Hi everybody, welcome back to Adonia Kitchen Tales, and today we're doing a very different recipe. I'm in my mountain cottage and not much ingredients in the kitchen. I don't have any vegetables, so I decided to make a quick dal with no onions and no tomatoes because I didn't have any. So in a pressure cooker, I'm taking some ghee, added a lot of Zeera. The full recipe is in the description. Added some ginger, chopped up ginger, because that's what I had, and I had a little bit of garlic paste. So added that, sauteed everything together. Now I'm adding some turmeric powder, just a little bit, and some chili powder. You can add the chili powder according to your taste and let everything nicely cook on low flame. Then I've added a cup of soaked moong dal, and these are these small yellow lentils, and saute them nicely in the pressure cooker. Add another cup or two of water. Add salt to taste, and you can close the pressure cooker and let it cook for about 2 whistles on medium flame. Once it's cooked, you can see that dal is beautifully done. It hardly took about 6 minutes on medium flame, and you can see it's nicely thick. I'm adding some hot water from the kettle to adjust the consistency. You can add as much hot water as you want depending on how thin or thick you want the dal. Now giving a quick tadka with some ghee, some mustard seeds, and homegrown curry leaves. Yes, we have a big tree full of curry leaves in our cottage. So if you want more on my mountain life and on the cottage where I do baking and cooking recipes, do subscribe and follow my YouTube channel. We also have given out our cottage on Airbnb, so if that's something you fancy and want to visit a little hill station near Bangalore, so you can check out Coco Cottage on Airbnb. And the dal with some hot piping rice. Look at the beautiful consistency of the dal with some ghee, achar and papad, and that's done. Let's enjoy this beautiful lunch in the outdoors. See you next time. Bye bye.